Howdy folks, today's video is going to be going over the process of adding AvatarPen Plus to your Avatar 3.0 avatar. First thing we're going to do is we're going to drag the pen onto our avatar itself. So go into the Main Studio Assets folder, AvatarPen Plus, and you're going to drag this one in particular right onto the root of your avatar. Once you've done that, unpack the prefab completely, open up the tree for AvatarPen Plus fully, and click on Pen. We're going to be moving Pen up to where our avatar's index finger is. In this case, we're just going to use the right hand because that's what it's built for by default. There is options. We'll get to that at a later point in the video. And get it right about halfway in so that it's not too far from your hand. Right about there is perfect. Now next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this AvatarPen Plus follow point here and we're going to put that onto our hand armature so that the pen actually knows what to follow when it's in game in VRChat. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to armature, hips, spine, chest, right shoulder, right upper arm, right lower arm, right hand. We're going to drag AvatarPen Plus onto right hand, left hand if that's what you're going to be using. And from there, we're going to click on the pen again, and we're going to activate our parent constraint. Now, after you've done that, hide the pencil by clicking the tick mark up here in the inspector. And now we will be working on making this have menus on the avatar. So next thing we're going to do is, up here in the top, you're going to see VRC Avatars 3 tools. You're going to use the Animator controller combiner. And the source animator controller is going to be our pen animator. This is going to be all the stuff it's going to copy to our destination animator controller. And so we're going to want to select, in my case, I'm going to be using the index, so I'm going to choose FX AVP plus WD off. WD off and WD on refer to write defaults. You're going to want to use the one that whatever your avatar uses. And you're going to use WD off, WD on L if you have it on your left hand instead of your right hand. You're going to have options for the Oculus as well as desktop and index. I'm going to use index WD off. And the destination animator controller, that's going to be whatever your FX layer's name is. So in my case, it's going to be FX custom. And so have FX custom be the destination. Now press combine. Ignore this down here. There's no worries here. It will work in game. Now just close the Animator Controller Combiner, double click over here, double check to make sure everything actually did come in. It seems to have done so. And so now we can go on to the next step. This is going to be adding the parameter for the pen so that the game knows to trigger it on and off. The name of it's going to be AvatarPen Plus, case sensitive. So click on your avatar, click on parameters, and let's add a new parameter. It's going to be AvatarPen Plus, case sensitive A, case sensitive P. The type's going to be an integer, default's going to be 0, and make sure you untick saved or the pen will not work properly. After we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the pen to our menu so that we can toggle it on and off and change the colors, erase, so on and so forth. So with your expressions menu, double click on that and we're going to add a control. We're going to name this AVPen Plus. Type is going to be a submenu, and the submenu we're going to be using is going to be called AvatarPen Plus. Double click on this, you'll see that you got the pen as well as the all erase. And now that you've done all this, your avatar should be ready to use pens in-game. If you want to test it out, either use an avatar emulator or build and test. By default, the control on index will be left hand fist, right hand thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I could help you out.